skincare queen everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own toner. This toner is a bit close to the professional version in that I'm going to use combination of 3 different skincare ingredients that will give your skin a glow. It's going to make you glow with joy, regulate oil production, and tackle skincare dryness. I will be using witch hazel distillate, that's my number 1, and I will be using Ylang Ylang floral water. This floral water is actually much better than rose water. So I know in all the video you see online you see rose water, but if you have ever tried Ylang Ylang water before, you will use rose water, so I highly recommend this. Lastly, we're going to be using a glycerin. I will be using glycerin. Glycerin is a very powerful humectant. As you all see, in different beauty hacks they use this, though they use it wrongly. I will be showing the right way to use glycerin to make your skincare toner. And these are the 3 ingredients you need. So let's get started and go. We need 1 tablespoon of witch hazel distillate. This is witch hazel that I'm talking about. Make sure what you're using is the alcohol-free one. So 1 tablespoon witch hazel distillate. The next ingredient is Ylang Ylang water, floral water. One tablespoon of Ylang Ylang floral water. The last ingredient, the humectant in this treatment, is glycerin, vegetable glycerin. We only need 1 teaspoon of that. Our next thing to do is to mix it thoroughly. And put it in any bottle of your choice. Remember, because there's no preservative in this, make sure you keep it in the fridge and use it for the next maximum of 3 months. Anytime you want to use it, do well to shake it together. Okay, do well to shake it together and apply. Use it as a toner. If you have a spray bottle, you can also use it as a mist.